You spend 2 hours crafting the perfect article or email with ChatGPT, but when you paste it in an AI detector, it flags it as 100% AI. It happens all the time, and it's frustrating. The truth is, standard AI output sounds extremely robotic, so that detectors like GPTZero and Turnitin detect it easily. But what if you could bypass those detectors entirely with just one AI-powered tool, Rephrasy? So let's test it. Step 1. Let's generate some raw AI content. I'm asking ChatGPT to write a short article about AI and marketing. Read this first paragraph. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the marketing industry, and its influence is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. It completely sounds AI. Now, a lot of people think a simple prompt can fix this. Let's try it. I'm heading over to the Rephrasy Skills repository on GitHub, which has a specific, highly engineered prompt designed to humanize AI text. I'll leave the link to this exact page in the description below so you can try it yourself. I'm copying this prompt, pasting it back into ChatGPT, and applying it to our article. Okay, looking at the new output, this actually reads much better. It's conversational and the flow is definitely more natural. To the human eye, this looks great, but let's see if it fools the AI detectors. We are taking this improved text over to GPTZero, one of the strictest AI detectors on the market. Let's paste it in and run the scan. Look at that, 100% AI. Even though the text sounds better to us, a prompt alone cannot transform structure of the text enough to bypass an AI detector. This is where we need Rephrasy.ai. Rephrasy isn't just a basic paraphraser. It actually alters the statistical properties that systems like GPTZero are hunting for. Looking at the dashboard, you have a few options. They have an SEO model designed for digital marketers to maintain keyword density, and you can also create your own writing style. But today, we are selecting their flagship Undetectable Model v4. This is engineered to execute aggressive structural transformations. I've pasted our text in. Let's hit Humanize. It takes just a few seconds for the neural rewriting process to happen. And there we go. We have our fully humanized output. The moment of truth. We are taking this Rephrasy output back over to GPTZero. Let's paste it in, run the scan. Boom. Basically 100% human. We took highly synthetic robotic text, passed it through Rephrasy's undetectable model, and completely stripped the algorithmic watermarks. The structure is randomized, the flow is natural, and the detectors are bypassed. If you are dealing with content pipelines, SEO, or you just want to ensure your drafts don't get falsely flagged, having a tool like Rephrasy in your workflow is absolutely essential. It bridges the gap between AI efficiency and human authenticity. I have put a link in the description below so you can sign up for Rephrasy. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to channel, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you want me to test next.